How exciting is this? Dr. Ray has put his 40 years of neurology experience into a YouTube channel so that everyone can understand common everyday occurrences like this. Understanding your brain in everyday situations. The channel explores relatable questions such as, why can't I remember names? Why do I panic before presentations? Why can't I stop scrolling social media? Why do I overthink everything? Why do I lose motivation halfway through goals? Why do I feel mentally exhausted? Why can't I sleep even when I'm tired? Why do I crave sugar when stressed? Why do I keep repeating bad habits? Why am I always distracted? Each answer is rooted in neuroscience and paired with practical steps viewers can try. We also explore advanced brain technology. For viewers who want to go beyond general education, the channel introduces modern tools used to assess and train brain function, including quantitative EEG, QEEG brain mapping, functional near-infrared spectroscopy, FNIRS, heart rate variability, HRV, neurofeedback, exercise with oxygen therapy, EWOT, and brain performance assessments. These technologies are discussed as educational tools to help viewers understand how brain function can be measured and monitored, while emphasizing that they complement rather than replace appropriate medical evaluation. Myth-busting videos. Many episodes tackle common misconceptions such as, we only use 10% of our brain, memory loss is a normal part of aging, brain games alone make you smarter, supplements can fix every brain problem, multitasking makes you more productive, stress always improves performance. The goal is to separate evidence from hype. What viewers gain. By following FixMyBrainToday, viewers learn how to think more clearly, improve memory, increase focus, reduce stress, understand emotions, sleep better, boost productivity, improve decision-making, build healthier habits, support long-term brain health. Most importantly, they gain the confidence that comes from understanding why their brain behaves the way it does, and how everyday choices can influence brain function over time. What if the key to better focus, sharper memory, improved mood, greater motivation, and clearer thinking wasn't simply trying harder, but understanding how your brain actually works? Welcome to Fix My Brain Today. This is a science-based YouTube channel created to make neuroscience practical, understandable, and useful for your everyday life. Instead of overwhelming you with complicated medical terminology, each video breaks down the fascinating science behind the brain into simple, engaging lessons that you can apply immediately. Whether you're struggling with procrastination, anxiety, brain fog, poor concentration, memory problems, stress, sleep issues, ADHD, depression, aging, or simply want to optimize your mental performance, you'll discover that there is often a biological reason behind what you're experiencing. You might find yourself asking, why can't I focus anymore? Why do I keep procrastinating? Why am I always mentally exhausted? Or why do I lose motivation so easily? Rather than offering quick fixes or empty promises, Fix My Brain Today explains the remarkable systems working behind the scenes inside your brain. You'll learn how blood flow, oxygen delivery, brain energy production, neurotransmitters, inflammation, hormones, sleep quality, stress, nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle habits influence how you think, feel, remember, and perform. The goal is simple. When you understand your brain, you gain the power to improve your life. Every video is designed to answer one important question. Why does my brain do that? Using easy-to-follow explanations, helpful illustrations, and practical examples, you'll gain a deeper appreciation of how different brain regions work together to influence behavior, emotions, habits, learning, and performance. Whether you're a student, parent, professional, caregiver, athlete, or someone simply curious about the amazing organ inside your head, every episode is designed to leave you smarter than when you started. And the learning doesn't stop when the video ends. FixMyBrainToday.com is the companion website where you can dive deeper with professionally written digital resources like ebooks, practical guides, workbooks, and brain optimization planners. Each resource expands on the concepts introduced in the videos, providing additional scientific explanations, practical strategies, and easy-to-follow action steps you can implement at home. The brain controls every thought, emotion, movement, habit, decision, and memory you will ever have. Yet most people are never taught how it actually works. Fix My Brain Today changes that. By combining credible neuroscience with practical, everyday advice, we help you become an active participant in your own brain health rather than a passive observer of your symptoms. Knowledge leads to understanding. Understanding leads to better decisions, and better decisions lead to a healthier, happier, and more productive life. If you've ever wondered why your brain behaves the way it does, or how to help it perform at its best, Fix My Brain Today is your trusted guide. Subscribe, keep learning, and discover how understanding your brain today can help you build a better tomorrow.